This video is going to cover doing a mild tune-up. Usually if you do this in the fall, you don't have to worry about it in the spring. You would just drain the gas out, drain the oil out, change the air filter, change the spark plug. This will be the same procedure for just about every lawnmower out there. Now the Honda does not have a drain plug on the bottom, so you do have to drain it out of the fill neck. Easy way to check and see though is to take your mower and lift it up like this, and if you look on the bottom of the engine itself, there are no drain plugs on the bottom of the engine. You see some bolts and stuff, those were covered in a previous video, but there is no drain plug on the Honda. Some of your Tecumsehs will have a drain plug, your Briggs & Strattons will have a drain plug. But now, let's get going on the spring tune-up. For your fall maintenance, getting ready for the springtime, or if you're like me, you didn't get a chance to do it in the fall. Here's how you do a real quick tune-up on the Honda HRX217. This is the TDA submodel. It's real easy. You're going to be draining the oil, changing the spark plug. You'll drain the gas out of it if there's any in it. And if it's springtime, you'll put fresh gas in it. You're going to need some 10W30 motor oil. You're going to need an NGK spark plug. This one is a BPR6ES 13/16 socket for spark plugs, a ratchet, and a new air filter. And you're going to need a receptacle to put your oil in. So the first thing we're going to do on this is we're going to drain the oil. On the Honda, there is no drain on the bottom of the engine, so you take the oil cap out, you tip it over, and we tip it over, and drain our oil into it. This particular mower takes 10W30 oil. Doesn't take a lot. When you go to check your oil, you got a label right here. And this label shows you do not screw it in. So we just put it in to the top of the threads, pull it out and check it. A little bit more. And there we are, right at the top of the fill line. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is take out our spark plug, which is located right there. And we're right on it. Put a new spark plug in. then the last thing we have to do is change our air filter. Change the air filter on this one. You've got two tabs up here, you push them down. The air filter comes out. New air filter goes in. See these two tabs right here? That's it. Now if this was the fall, the last thing you would want to do, and it is recommended that you do this in the fall, is you would turn your gas off right here. You would drain your carburetor right there. Get a small plastic cup or something, put underneath it. Drain the gas out of your carburetor. Then what I would do, is this fuel line right here, I would pinch that with a pair of vice grips, gently, don't do it too hard. I would pull this end of the line off, and then I would drain the gas tank out. You don't want to use any gas that's more than 30 days old. So, you can do this job in the spring or you can do it in the fall. If you do it in the fall, it's a lot easier. You don't have to remember it in the summertime. But that's it. There's your tune-up, and you're ready to put some fresh gas in it, start it up, and start mowing for the season. Thanks for watching. If you like this, please give it a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys want to see videos on. Thanks again.